ColorOS 7 is one of the widest software update rollouts that we have seen in recent times, and not just covers high-end smartphones, but the brand is ensuring that all of its users are getting to experience the latest and best software, including phones such as the Oppo F11 Pro. This is Sandeep from XDA TV, and in this video we'll be taking a closer look at some of the unique features of ColorOS 7. ColorOS 7 was launched in India on 26 November 2019 and was immediately made available to the Reno and Reno 10X Zoom smartphones. In December 2019, we saw the rollout of the update for 4 more phones, including the F11 Pro, which we have here, and by the second quarter of 2020, we will be seeing over 25 different smartphones being updated to ColorOS 7 with Android 10. We had already done a video on ColorOS 7, but in this video we'd like to give particular emphasis on privacy protection, dock vault, and Oppo Share. Privacy is one feature that many take for granted, and while it shouldn't be something that you need to worry about and should be in the background, it's still very important to know that your data is safe in order to have peace of mind. ColorOS 7 has a clever feature where the OS will provide blank data to applications which are requesting access to user data. Users also have the ability to protect sensitive information, be it photos or documents or videos or just about any file, using the privacy safe. Think of it as a digital safe where you keep your files and prevent applications as well as other individuals from accessing it, reading it, or modifying it. Only when provided with the password will you be granted access to the same. Another useful feature is Dock Vault, which has been brought in collaboration with DigiLocker, which is an Indian digital certificate issuing platform. This allows users to store and access digital versions of their official documents and certificates when the need arises. This feature is exclusive to Indian customers, and Oppo is the first brand to bring this feature, and these digital copies are just as legitimate as the hard copies and don't require any extra verification or approval once they're uploaded. This makes it very handy and can be used as an official method of verification for your documents when checking into a hotel or to the traffic police, for example. Oppo Share is a great feature that the brand has brought in collaboration with other brands such as Vivo, Realme, and Xiaomi to allow easier transfer of files across devices. While the previous version of Oppo Share limited the sharing within Oppo devices, this one allows cross-brand transfer, but the advantage of using Oppo Share is primarily the ease and speed at which you are able to transfer the files. You can transfer up to 100 files at one time, and with a transfer speed of up to 20 megabytes per second, even large files are transferred with ease and saves you the hassle of having to use wired connections. To summarize, ColorOS 7 breathes fresh air to your smartphone and gives you an experience that is, dare I say, even better than when you got your smartphone out of the box. It only showcases the amount of work Oppo has put into ColorOS 7 and how they have taken into account the feedback from millions of users that they have across the world. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comment section below. Please do subscribe to our channel. See you again in the next one.